every time na tinatamaan ng VWAP itong area na to is that bumabagsak siya, no? And dito guys, sa completed, meron pa tayong profits, no? So, hey guys, so today quick discussions lang tayo dito for the price actions ni BTC right now. As we can see guys, meron tayo dito mga trades, no? And discuss ko rin dito guys yung strategy kung saan you get profits kahit nagkakaroon ng pagbaba ng presyo, no? That's the strategy on contrarian trading, shorting strategy, no? If magkakaroon dito ng pagbaba ng presyo is that you will earn pa, no? Meron tayong mga profits, mamaya papakita natin. Gagamit din tayo dito guys as our basis, no? Ito, trading view na app na ito. Free lang naman ito. Gamit natin dito VWAP tapos stochastic. Tapos 15 minutes time frame, no? Why we enter around this area, ano yung confirmations. As we can see, meron ditong trades tayo na ginawa, no? So, dalawang short. And before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. Punta muna tayo dito guys sa app. Meron tayo ditong pinaka-trading bots as well. Punta muna tayo sa home. Punta tayo dito sa trading bot. Yung official link neto guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to. Meron ding trading fee discount and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online, no? Meron ding active campaign tayo wherein if merong 100 USDT dito sa pinaka balance mo is that you can get additional 15 USDT bonus guys na pwede mong gamitin for your trading, and kung meron kang profits, you'll get those profits na pwede mong i-withdraw through e-wallets or bank account, no? So, if we can see dito guys, meron tayong profits, no? Ito. So, 26. Check muna natin. Ayan. So, meaning ng short, if pabagsak yung market, we'll get profits. Meron tayong profits dito, 18 USDT, 7 USDT. And dito guys, sa completed, meron pa tayong profits, no? So, ayan, 52, 01 USDT. Meron din tayo dito, 15 USDT profits. So, yung pinaka-downside lang dito guys, no? Again, itong video natin today is just for ideas, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Yung mga ganitong strategy is that for experienced trader, sa may mga ideas na talaga, may proper setups guys, no? Kasi sobrang risky nung shorting. So, para ito sa mga experienced trader, risk management, napaka-importante dito. So, again, I just really share my perspective, experience, and ideas dito guys, no? So, pwede na profits ako dito, pero sa inyo is that loss, no? So, may mga ganong scenario. Make sure you understand dito yung pinaka-risk and reward para magkaroon kayo dito ng informed decision sa end ninyo guys, no? So, ito, automatic to. If ever man na busy ako, meron akong ginagawa, busy ako for the airdrops, is that automatically dito nag-automatic buy and sell. If ever na ito yung setup na pinili ko, which is short, magpo-profits ako dito if babagsak yung presyo, no? Pero if nagkaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo tapos naka-short ako dito, malolos naman ako dito guys, no? So that's the downside ng shorting, no? Kaya it's better to have this experience and understanding sa marketing analysis, fundamental discipline sa end ninyo guys, no? Experience, as mentioned, is very important. So, back muna ulit tayo dito. Tapos back. Punta tayo dito guys sa may derivatives, no? As mentioned, this is for the experience. And sa mga nagtatanong, hope you get some ideas dito, sa mga curious kung paano dito nag-work yung futures derivatives trades guys, no? Itong derivatives na option, no? So, if we can see dito guys, meron tayong setups. Pahapyawan ko lang na discussions dito, short, which is S, meaning pag bumagsak siya, magkaka-profits tayo, pag tumaas, malolos tayo, no? Pinili ko lang naman dito yung short, itong option na to. Once I click short, andito yung pinaka-details, yung pinaka-available balance mo if ever man na nandun sa pinaka-funding. Meron ditong plus. Ayan, pwede mong i-transfer, no? Papunta dito sa derivatives account from funding. For example, transfer from funding to derivatives, no? So, derivatives. So, funding sa taas, tapos to derivatives, no? So, pagkatapos niyan, kung magkano yung pinaka-balance na gusto mo i-transfer para magamit mo yung balance na yan is that i-edit mo lang dito, no? So, simple as that. And then, pagkatapos niyan, tap confirm lang. So, for now, I just contested yung price actions nitong si BTC. Yesterday, we can see some weakness ng volume. Masyadong mataas yung seller. So, I decided to sell short as well as previous days, guys, na meron tayong mga setup sa trading bots natin na kung saan na nagkakaroon ng pag-decline yung price action, wala masyadong pumapasok na volume, January. We just discussed that scenario. So, yun, we decided to short, no? And good confirmations din dito guys is that yung mga indicators, oscillators, yung chart, discuss natin dito. So, punta tayo dito guys sa trading view. Naka 15 minutes time frame to. Tapos, meron ako ditong stochastic. Papakita ko na lang din yung setup. So, double click ko lang to. And then, settings. So, ito yung pinaka-setup ko guys, no? So, pinalatan ko lang dito yung pinaka-K line. And then, yung D line ng kulay, no? And then, pagkatapos nyan, middle band. Ayan. So, simple as that. Visibility. Wala na akong masyadong binago dyan. Inputs. 3, 3, 14, 14. Tapos, close, no? And then, tap okay ko lang to. Sa VWAP, it's very important. Ito, for some confirmations, if ever man, na yung price action is on its uptrend or rally or accumulation, nagkakaroon ng sideways move, it's good itong VWAP guys, no? For the downtrend as well, good confirmations din itong VWAP. This will serve some criteria for some confirmations ko dito guys, no? So, for example, volume doesn't doing well, tapos stochastic is pointing to the downside if we can see dito. And then, yung VWAP reacting or acting as a resistance, as we can see dito. Every time na tinatama ng VWAP itong area na to is that bumabagsak siya, no? Same goes what happened dito sa next confirmations, kaya meron tayo dito ang pinaka-entry around 41k territory. Ito yung pinaka-short natin. And then pagkatapos nyan, setup natin for VWAP. Pinalitan ko lang to ng style, tinanggal ko yung upper band tapos lower band, iniwan ko lang dito yung pinaka golden line ko dito as acting as VWAP. Buds feel is that in-adjust ko lang, number 2 iniwan ko, and then inputs, ayan, yung number 2 na multiplier bands, yan yung iniwan ko, tapos wait for time frame closes guys, no, para mag-appear yung VWAP. So sa visibility naman niya is that as is lang to, wala akong pinalitan dito. Then pagkatapos niyan, tap okay. So sa pag dito guys na indicator, if meron kang trading view, is that dito lang, no? Ayan. Tapos itong indicators. So dito sa indicators, tapos search mo lang dito. For example, VWAP. So volume weighted average price, ito. Ayan. Pagkatapos niyan, once you selected, ma-add na doon sa pinaka chart mo, no? And then yung stochastic. So stochastic naman, ayan, stochastic RSI, ito. So simple as that, yan yung ginamit natin dito for some confirmations, and we have profits naman dito. So stochastic RSI, if may confirmations dito sa VWAP tapos pa downtrend siya, merong crossover na nangyayari, nag-cross yung pinaka red tapos sa blue tapos pointing sa downside, that's the confirmations na pwedeng bumagsak yung price actions, no? And it was happened. Careful lang din dito guys, make sure to take profits if ever na meron tayo dito nakita na double bottom. Ayan. And meron din ditong confirmations, yung red tsaka blue is that crossing to the upside, no? So, potential confirmations natin to take profits around this area, no? Which is itong zone na to. If naka-short ka dito sa area na to, potentially ito yung magiging take profits mo, no? So, that's how I set up my trades dito sa scalping, no? 15 minutes time frame ito guys, no? Different time frames, different din yung pinaka-structure ng market, no? So, yun, hope you get some ideas dito. We earn from this market move going to the downside by just understanding the market strategy natin, no? So kung meron kayong mga questions guys, just feel free to ask lang dito sa video na to. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.